Good morning, class 3 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Now, after a long time, we will meet again and welcome back to English grammar class. Today, we will learn about helping verbs. It's a very interesting topic. Open at page number 73. Read the rules of helping verbs and the examples from your book carefully, okay? And now, try to understand what I am saying. Remember, helping verbs in the previous class we have also learned about helping verbs, and what we have learned is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. They are all helping verbs. But now in this class we have to identify the tense of helping verbs. Okay, helping verbs can be used in present tense and can be used in past tense. Okay, now in this class we will discuss the tense of helping verbs. Like, at first remember what is helping verb. Helping verb, just helping verb do not act like the main verb. Helping verb কখনোই main verb এর মতন কাজ করে না, okay? Helping verb just help the helping. Why it is helping? Because helping verb just help the main verbs. But helping verbs show a state of being or position. কারোর কিছু হওয়া বা কারোর কিছু position অর্থাৎ কারোর কিছু থাকার. When we use this type of sentences, then we use helping verbs. For example, I am going to school. Here are two verbs. In the previous class, we have also learned helping verb and main verb. Here are two verbs, am and going. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is helping verb and what is main verb? Remember, am, it's not a main verb. It's a helping verb. But going, main, go, main verb. দেখো এই go ওয়ার্ডটা দিয়ে একটা কিন্তু কাজ হয়ে যায়, ওকে? Go refers to any action, but am doesn't refer any action. It's just help. It just help the main verb go, or it's just describes the state of the main verb. Main verb এর state বা অবস্থান বা পজিশনটাকে আমাদেরকে বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছে. So it is helping verb. But go, it refers to any action. আমরা go মানে পায়ে হেঁটে যাওয়া বুঝি, okay? So it is main verb. Is that clear? If I say he is taking rice, but the girl is dancing, so he is helping her but dancing. It's the action. It refers dance refers to any action, so it is main verb. Okay. Now you have to remember the tense of helping verb. Be verb at first. Be verb. Remember, be verb is the helping verb, and the present form of be verb is am, is, are. But why do we use am? We use am only with I, and মাত্র I এর সঙ্গে am use হয়. And remember, in case of present tense, is we use is with he, she, it, or any singular nouns. Okay. In case of present tense, and are we use are with we, you, they, and also plural nouns. যদি plural nouns হয়ে থাকে, যেমন like for example, cows are grazing. Cows are grazing in the field. Cows, it's plural noun, okay? So use are helping verb. Helping verb, but grazing, it's main verb, okay? Is that clear? So you use are with you, we, you, they, and also plural nouns. The same happened, the same incident with the past tense. Is and am and is transformed to was. Means we use was with I, he, she, it, and where and are transformed. Are is transformed to where. আর আর কোথায় ট্রান্সফর্মড হয় ওয়ারে, লাইক cows are লিখেছি, but in case of past tense we can write cows were grazing in the field. Okay, the same another helping verb. Now let's have a look. Another helping verb, have, present form, have or has. We use have with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns, but we use has with the singular nouns or he, she, it. Okay. And past tense, singular, plural, the same. Only one verb, only one helping verb, had. Now look at the example. I have taken rice, but he has taken rice. Has taken rice. Okay. What is the difference? I. Remember, I singular, but we don't use has with I. We always use have with I. I have. I singular, but we use have. It's subject. Have. It's helping verb. Helping verb. Taken. Take to taken. So main verb. Now again, he, singular nouns, has. I also singular, but we use have. Has, helping verb, and taken, main verb. But if we want to use this sentence in past tense, then we will write I had taken rice. Had taken. I had taken rice. You can write he had taken rice. Only had. Okay. Is that clear? Now another example from your book. Underline the main verb and underline the helping verb and circle the main verb. Like another example for you. Minnie is preparing dinner for the guest. Minnie is preparing dinner for the guest. Now, underline the helping verb. We have known that he is, because is it is the source of be verb. Be verb the source is. Underline helping verb and preparing its main verb. Okay, we have to circle it. Is that clear? Okay. So do yourself. Okay, in your book only. And now fill in the blanks with is the mark. Another example from your book, like Sue and Sally dash helping Mr. Bose. And number 2 sentence, Neil dash reciting a poem. Sue and Sally, they become plural and we can replace Sue and Sally by they. So they are. Sue and Sally are helping Mr. Bose. Neil, only one. We can replace Neil with he and we use is after he. So Neil is reciting a poem. Okay, is that clear? Okay, read the rules carefully at home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Tata.
না করে নিন।
করবে স্টার্ট করবো না।